Right, so it's time for us to test the motor. Switch the car on. Alright, so we are almost ready to start the car. Okay, once the car is on, 312 kilometers. Wow. Well, we count it here as kilometers, not miles. So we switch the AC on. Switch the AC on, put the cooling level to your preference, and see if the fan is switched on. In our case, we are done, good to go. Please guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, subscribe. It will be very helpful and meaningful. Thank you.